In this YouTube tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a flat shoulder pad. If this is something you're interested in learning how to do, then keep on watching. So I got these shoulder pads at the market. This is what they look like, and you can do this manually for yourself, by yourself. I mean, let's just get a foam and a wadding and then iron it together. So I just had to quickly do this because I was in a rush. I had to buy it. I was in a rush. So you can also do it manually for yourself. The height is just about half an inch, as you can see, so it's not really bulky, and that is just what I need for my client's clothes. So let us get right onto it. So I came in by 3.5 inches, as you can see there. I came in by 3.5 inches, and I noticed that the shoulder pad is not really well done, but I'm still going to get what I need out of it. So I am going to come down there. From there I'm going to come down by, you can see the foam is not matching with the same as the wadding, so I'm going to come down there by half an inch, as you can see, and then right from that half an inch I am going to come down by 8 inches. Firstly I came down by half an inch, then from that point of half an inch I came down by 8 inches. So as you can see, we have 3 points there. So after connecting all the lines and making sure they are visible, I went ahead to cut it out, as you can see. So this is what it looks like now. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the other shoulder pad. I'm going to just trace it out, make sure it is placed properly, and then you trim it out. As you can see, you cut it out. So this is what our shoulder pads look like now, and I'm going to cover this up with a lining because the cloth I want to attach this shoulder pad to, it is not lining, and I have went ahead to attach the cotton lining to it and weave the edges. As you can see, it looks much better now. So you can use this for your corporate wears, ready to wear, to add more sophistication and structure to the look. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to the feel is still, it feels bulky, so I'm just going to go ahead to iron press it and make it more firm. As you can see, it looks more firm. I wish you can feel it from there, but it looks more firm, and the clothes feels much more smoother on the shoulder pads. So this is what it looks like on my client, the dress, and she loves it. And don't forget to subscribe for more sewing tutorials. Bye.